So in today's class of mathematics, today's question is taken from class 9th mathematics, chapter 7 triangles, exercise 7.2, question number 8 I will be solving today. That is, show that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree. Okay, so let me start with the class. But before that, you all need to know the some properties of a triangle. So in case if some properties of triangles, note down, theorem 7.2 says that angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal, which means that if your side AB is equal to AC, okay, if AB is equal to AC, then angle B is also equal to angle C. Next, let us see to theorem 7.3. What does it says? Now it says that the side opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. If angle B is equal to angle C, then you can say that the side is equal. AB is equal to AC. So basically it says that if the sides are equal, then the angles are equal. If angles are equal, then the side is also equal. So you all can take down the question. Show that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree. So let me draw an equilateral triangle first. Okay, first draw equilateral triangle, that is A, B, C, and for equilateral triangle all sides are equal, right? So what you'll need to do is write down this thing. You'll have to say that triangle in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. See, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. We are using these properties. So if sides are equal, then I can say that angle B is equal to angle C, right? Next, take this as equation 1, okay? And what are you going to say for this one? Angle opposite to equal sides are equal, right? Angle opposite to equal sides are equal for this one, okay? Next, let us see. Also, I will say that angle also these two sides are equal. Since all sides are equal, I can say that AC is also equal to AC is equal to BC. So from this, what all are taking? Angle A is equal to angle B, right? So from, if you take this side, that is AC and BC, from this, if these two sides are equal, the angles are also equal. So I will say that angle A and angle B are equal. Earlier what I have done, I have taken AB and AC side. So B and C are equal. Okay. This is your equation 2. And what is the reason you all are going to write for this one? You all have to say that angle opposite to equal sides are equal for this one. Okay. Next thing what you all are going to do is from 1 and 2. So from equation 1 and 2, you all are going to say from 1 and 2, say that angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C, which means that I'm going to add all the sides. So in triangle ABC, I will add all the triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. So first only what I am going to say is that angle A plus angle B plus angle C, this is equal to 180. This is the angle sum property of a triangle over here. So in place of angle A, I will write angle A only. So here it will be angle A plus angle A plus angle A is equal to 180. Now why I wrote like this? everywhere angle A, because angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C, which means that angle B is also equal to A, angle C. So it means that angle B is also equal to A, angle C is also equal to A, right? So this part I hope you all have understood. Now this is what, that's why I wrote everywhere angle, in place of angle A, it is angle A, angle B is also equal to angle A, angle C is also equal to angle A. So is equal to 180, angle sum property of a triangle. So now these are 3 times angle A. So you will write 3 times angle A is equal to 180. So now angle A is equal to 180 divided by 3. So 3 divided by 180, if you do, what you all are going to get? 3 6 are 18, 0 0, and here 1 0 will remain, right? So it will be, what is your answer? 3 1s are 3, 3 6 3s are, right? So angle A is equal to 60 degree. So if angle A is 60 degree, therefore I can say that angle B is also equal to 60 degree, and therefore angle C is also equal to, you can write down, therefore angle C is also equal to 60 degree. So basically angle A is equal to 60 degree, angle B is also equal to 60 degree, angle C is also equal to 60 degree. So as per the question, we showed that angles are of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree each. So I hope you all have understood how to find out all this. So we got A, B and C to be 60 degree. So I hope you all have understood today's class, and thanks for watching.